Hey everyone, need to create a Microsoft account on your PC or laptop? Let me walk you through it super quick. All right, so first, open your browser, Chrome, Edge, whatever you've got, and go to Microsoft.com. Once you're on the Microsoft homepage, look for Sign In at the top right and click on it. This takes you to the login page. Now, instead of signing in, you want to click Create an Account since you don't have one yet. Microsoft will ask for an email address. You can use any email you already have or create a new Outlook email right there. Enter your email and click Next. Microsoft sends you a verification code to that email. Check your inbox, grab that code, and enter it to verify. Next up, Microsoft asks for some basic info, your country, your region, and your date of birth. Fill those in and click Next. Now enter your first and last name. Check the little box agreeing to their terms and hit Next again. Here's the fun part. Microsoft wants to make sure you're human. You'll get a puzzle to solve. Just follow the instructions, complete the puzzle, and you're good. And that's it. Your Microsoft account is now created. You can use it to access Outlook email, OneDrive, Office apps, Xbox, and all Microsoft services. To access your email, just go to outlook.live.com and sign in with your new Microsoft account. Everything's all set up and ready to use.